We alive downtown at the park, enjoying the nice Mississippi rivers. There it is. There's the Illinois Bridge. A live couple of cars, and there is a train, a noisy ass train that just passing through. So it's 4:29 Central Standard Time. I'm thinking about going right over there. I'm gonna go and walk across that little bridge and make my way towards the other side. And then I'm gonna turn around and then I'm gonna come back. Hold on, give me a minute. I got you. Alright, as I was saying, here we go. Oh, that's so nice. It's so nice out here. It's 92 degrees. 92 degrees out. Very hot, but it's a little windy. Well, anyways, later.